No matter your style, Graber can help bring your vision to life. Whether you're renovating or navigating a new build, Graber experts are there to deliver a white glove experience from start to finish, helping you find the perfect solution for every space. From a Victorian living room to a coastal kitchen to a bold and cozy reading nook. When you're ready to update your window treatments, our Graber dealer will come to your home and take your measurements. And the journey of custom quality crafted window treatments begins. When your custom window treatments are ready, we'll install them in your home. Elevated design, custom options, premium service, down to every last detail.